In this lecture, I am going to give one more example for equivalence of two finite automata. Question is written over here. There are two machines M1 and M2 where Q0 is initial state for machine M1 and Q3 is initial state for machine M2, and Q0 is final state for machine M1 and Q3 is final state for machine M2. Now I am going to make a pair of Q0 and Q3 because it is initial state. Now I am going to check whether this Q0, Q3 is final state or non-final state. Q0 is final state, Q3 is final state, so I am going to proceed further. Q0, if input is A, next state is Q1. Q3, if input is A, next state is Q5. Q1, Q5, both are non-final states, so I am going to proceed further. Q0, if input is B, next state is Q0. Q3, if input is B, next state is Q3. Both are final state. Already this is our old state, and in this table Q1, Q5 is new state, so I am going to make this as present state right now. Q1, if input is A, next state is Q0. Q5, if input is A, next state is Q6. Now check this pair Q0 and Q6. Q0 is final state where Q6 is non-final state. So always we should have a pair either both final state or both non-final state. Here it is one is final, another one is non-final. So we are going to say this machine is not equivalent. Machine M1 is not equivalent to machine M2.